And artificial intelligence can multiply millions of numbers in a fraction of a second. But all of that complex math is completely useless unless the machine can actually make a decision. In the last video, we learned that AI uses volume knobs to calculate a final score for the data it sees. But a raw math score of 44,000 doesn't tell a self-driving car whether to hit the brakes or hit the gas. To turn raw math into a physical action, the machine relies on a digital trigger. We created this spam AI prediction sheet in the last video. Think about it. We multiplied our inputs by our weights to get a total score. Let's say our spam AI calculates a score of 9.5. What does 9.5 mean? Do we send it to the inbox or do we send it to the spam folder? The AI is stuck in a gray area. To be useful, it needs a tipping point where it stops calculating and finally shouts yes or no. To make this decision, computer scientists created the activation function. Imagine a literal seesaw. The heavy iron weight on the left is the AI's threshold. The empty bucket on the right is the AI's neuron. The volume knobs start pouring their math score into the bucket. As the number goes up, nothing happens. The AI is receiving signals, but it's not enough to convince it. The neuron remains completely silent. But the exact millisecond the water crosses that threshold, boom, the seesaw slams down, the trigger is hit, and the neuron fires. The AI officially makes its decision. Yes, this is spam. Let's build this tipping point right now. This is the exact Google Sheet we built in the last video, but I am going to upgrade it. We don't just want a percentage anymore, we want a strict action. I am setting an activation threshold of 10. The water bucket needs to reach 10 to tip the seesaw. Right now, our volume knobs are adding up to a score of 9. The water is high, but the bucket hasn't tipped. The neuron is dead. Watch what happens when I tweak just one volume knob. The score crosses the threshold, the math triggers the logic, and the AI fires. You just built a working activation function. This bucket and seesaw mechanism is exactly how the neurons in your own brain work, and it's how a self-driving car decides to hit the brakes. The updated Google Sheet is in the description. Go play with the threshold and watch the AI change its mind. But this creates our next massive puzzle. What happens if the AI's bucket tips, but it makes the wrong decision? How does the machine mathematically know that it just made a terrible mistake? To fix itself, the AI has to play a game of darts, and that is exactly what we are going to experience in the next video.